What's going on, guys? It is me, Harry, and my best friend Anthony right here. So guys, today we're showing off all our Nerf guns we collected through Nerf. Two of them might not be Nerf guns, but they're pretty sick. Okay guys, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and post notifications. Let's get right into this. So, the first one we are showing you is this one, the grenade launcher. See, it's pretty old. We've had this for a couple of years now. See, it doesn't work properly. This gun is amazing. We just literally played a game with these, and this was awesome. I lost the grenade. He's pretty angry still, a little bit. So yeah, that's the first one. Look at it, guys. It shoots massive discs as well. It shoots massive discs as well. See it there. So there it is, guys. And it's got flames on it. Yeah. And it's called the Revolution 360. If you can't see that, that's what it says. So the second one is, well, this one. What? It's a Alpha Trooper CS12. Lock and load, clear mag. It's the Nerf Strike Elite. And it is one of the ones that you can put parts on and that. And you can action that. And when that's pulled like this, look, you can put this down and put an extra bullet inside there. But watch, guys, that picks up. You need to shoot it. So I'm shooting particularly fast. So that's our gun, guys, the Alpha Trooper CS. Okay, these two guns came with a pair, didn't they? Yes, they did. Oh, you can talk more than that, can't you? These guns are shotguns. Basically, really good shotguns. The Nerf it's when Nerf wasn't blue and orange and grey and white and all that colour. They were yellow and blue, and some of them were yellow and orange. So these are these. The X's they're called. X shots. So look, there's a button back here if you see it. There guys, look. Pull this down. Look. And that's where you put the bullets in. And then all you have to do is do this. If you hold that one. And look, there guys, is the reload button. Then you can just shoot, then pull it back open, put the bullets in, hit it up. Done. These are pretty nice. And if you was wondering, what is this blue thing at the back? Because it has this. That is right here. Bullets. You can store bullets in. Ooh. I can't put it back on. So yeah, pretty sick. The next gun is this one. Another old Nerf gun. It's another X-shot. No, it's an XS. It's an XS gun. You can put plastic little circles in there. You can put discs in there, so you can go like, you pull it back and then you shoot it. And then you can, there's two mags, revolvable. Look, you can spin them. I'll put bullets in them. Yeah, and you can just switch it like this. If you run out of bullets, and you can just go. So, that's that gun. It's not really a good aim, but it's a good little gun to pull out your bag if you don't have any more bullets, like if you don't have any more bullets with the big guns. So, the next one is, I don't know, I need to get something that goes with it. The next gun is the oh wait, I'll show you after. The N-Strike Elite. The Nerf Strike Elite. It's like a shotgun. You can take this ammo clip off. And then it came with this one as well. This one can fit 12 bullets. These ones can fit 20. This one can, wait, where is it? 25 bullets. This one can hold, guys, 25. So that's a pretty good one. This one can go in there like this. So pretty easy. Just have to whack it in a little bit. See. And it's the same as the other gun. You can pull it back, open that, and then shove your bullets in. Yeah, look. Open that, and then you can put the bullets there if you don't see it. Because that's where the mag is in that shooter. And look, it does pull it back, watch. And then you can shoot it again. The next gun is another old one. Let me just get it.